whether people are on the left or on the right, they're being screwed by the same forces.
The attention that we're all occupied with today seems to be going to things like social media and, of course, mainstream media outlets, as have been done forever. These companies make money on stoking that division and creating that negative emotion for people. Is this idea of unity and bringing love and compassion and kindness and self-belief across national and international borders, is this a bit of a pipe dream given what you're up against in terms of some of these outlets that profit from stoking that division?
It's not just the division, because a lot of the division is artificially created. It's the fact that systems make life too hard for people. Like in the United States, too many people don't have adequate health care. Or if they have adequate health care, it's because they're working at a job they hate, but they're there for the adequate health care, or they're rationing their insulin, or they have to work on more than one job, or they're in poverty, or they're near poverty, or their children are hungry, or they live paycheck to paycheck. They can't even find a place to live. The division is the least of it. The suffering is what matters. And if you realize that it's the suffering, then you realize how artificial the division is, because whether people are on the left or on the right, they're being screwed by the same forces. So people are beginning to understand it's not the left versus the right. It's the powerful versus the powerless. And the powerful have access. The powerful have access to money. They have access to the economic power, to the political power. And the system is designed to keep everybody else in their place.